Utiva's data analytics program is really awesome. I've taken a look at the curriculum and the facilitators.
The unique part of the Utiva Data Analytics Academy, what sets it apart from most of the other trainings we have out there, is that it's business focused from day one. We're setting you up to be able to start your own data analytics consulting practice after the training.
My name is Udeogu Innocent. I'm the co-founder and software engineering lead at Udeogu Intelligence Solutions. Here at Utiva, I train people in data science, introducing them to the concept of data analytics and basically how data analytics can impact their business day to day.
I personally did a Power BI session. I'm going to show you how to analyze data, transform data into knowledge and then insights that you're able to then use to achieve a competitive advantage wherever you are.
Let's think about this, right? What statements will you write currently to get Nick, Ed, and Jennifer?
Everything you learn, you're also going to see how it applies to business and to solving business problems. And I think that's the push that you would really need, as opposed to just learning a whole lot of technical stuff without knowing exactly how they come to play in the real world.
My name is Opeyemi, and I run a company called DropQ, where I work as both the CEO and a data and AI engineer. The very interesting thing is that how Utiva focuses on industry-specific use cases and then takes its students through those specific industries and enables them take the ground truth of data science principles and apply that across multiple industries and multiple disciplines.
My name is Grace. I'm currently product manager at Adeola. Adeola is investing in high quality talents that's like in software development. And so as a product manager, I'm part of the program that enables these talents become like the world-class developers that companies are looking out for. It's an amazing initiative. I'm giving it like lots of kudos to the team. You guys have seen a gap and you are actively involved in filling that gap. I think it is an initiative that should be renowned, like not just here in Lagos, it should spread across the entire country, because whether we like it or not, at some point, the only thing that would actually lead to problems being solved is the fact that data was gathered and effectively analyzed.
I'm a marketing strategist, and I came to Utiva Data Academy to learn about how to probe data. I mean, I've always used Excel as a basic user, right? But now I'm beginning to realize the true power of that tool.
For somebody like me that has some level of knowledge about analytics, there were still some very valuable tips and tricks that were revealed, and really it's an experience for both beginners. It comes down to a very basic level for business users that have never gotten into tech before.
I'm new to the data analytics sphere as a whole. I'm only intrigued to be here because I read an article, and in its projection was that in a few years' time, this is what is going to take over. So I'm basically here to prepare myself for that future.
program lead at Utiva. I manage the end-to-end execution of all the programs within the Utiva portfolio. I collaborate with the strategy lead to develop models, frameworks, and go-to-market strategies for deploying our learning programs.
So far, the hackathon has been like an eye-opener because I'm not sure there's anything similar to this anywhere else. And it's good to be able to see that there is an opportunity for individuals to come together. There are several teams, they have a problem, they are analyzing and working together to be able to make sense of what the data that has been given to them. I think it's a very good initiative. It's very insightful to see that people are still interested in what matters and they're actually looking for ways to solve this problem.
The participants are professionals. They're working, they've seen the impact that data can have in businesses. My expectation is incredibly high for them because these are things that from day one of getting back to work, they will be able to apply these in their own companies, right? And for me, this is real world. It's not, oh, this is a practice kind of situation. No, it has to be of the highest quality to enable someone make targeted, data-driven decisions that will increase the bottom line.
Who's next?
Guess who's the next team? Come on guys, let's do this!
If at the moment their total expenditure is like more than double what they earn, that means they are already in a whole lot of deep load. So to save is actually going to be a difficult one. But let's look at each of these regions and see what it is like. We see that in Australia, it is above double as well. So I'm just trying to make you see the pattern across all these regions. Europe is also above double.
It's never too late to learn. Second thing is be humble enough to learn. And the third thing is when you finally learn, apply. Simple.
The future of work is a world where decisions won't be made the way they've been made in the past. There'll be no CEO hanging around your neck trying to tell you what to do specifically. Data will dictate what will be done. And not just data, but he who controls the data, he who controls the insights, controls the money. So at the end of the day, if you don't want your role to be relevant within these organizations, if you want to grow with an organization, if you want to be relevant for the future, you need to do data analytics. You need to begin to look at data science and business analysis.